CX automatic solid material filling machine with feeding system. This machine is suitable for rice, beans, sesame, sugar, salt, powder, spices and other similar solid material, etc. Machine is adjustable, suitable for filling different kinds and different weight of solid material products. Machine is equipped with a feeding system, reasonable design, easy working. World-famous electric and pneumatic accessories. Machine is CE certification, meets the GMP standard. Can be connected with feeding table before filling, also can be connected with can lid seaming machine, capping machine, labeling machine after filling. Multiple weighting heads. Full stainless steel design, high-speed measuring system, filling error is not more than plus or minus 0.5%. Automatic rotary cans feeding table. Machine will be offered 2 years long-time warranty, technical support forever. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for your watching, and please do feel free to contact us if you are interested in this filling machine. CX Pack, your most trusted, ideal and professional packing machine supplier.